This 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2400BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 27 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, slide-out, oven, leveling jacks, skylight, TV, stovetop burner, smoke detector, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2400BH is 4,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.